Today I'm going to show you how I bedazzle this bottle opener. So of course you're going to need a bottle opener. We're going to use AB crystal rhinestones, mixed sizes. The main rhinestone is 5M. We're using B7000, a sanding block, and a wax pencil. So you're going to sand first, of course. You want to give the rhinestone something they could grip onto. And you're going to wipe this with alcohol. I am using B7000 today. When you use this glue, please make sure you're in a well-ventilated room. I had every window open, plus I had a fan blowing and an air purifier, but that's just me. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start by the ring with the size 5M rhinestone, and I'm just going to go straight across. Oops, that little rhinestone didn't have enough glue, so I applied a little bit more. And I'm going to use the honeycomb method with this particular project. The honeycomb method, if you don't know, is placing one rhinestone in between every two rhinestones to make a honeycomb. So you're going to see that towards the third row, and I'm just placing one rhinestone in between every two so it can make that pattern. I really love this pattern. I feel like it's easy, it's organized, you can't go wrong with it. Very simple craft. But you can do the scatter method. It's just not my preference or my personal choice. Moving right along, I decided to do this because I have a lot of unfinished projects. I was trying to clean out my drawer and I found bottle openers. So I said, let's, make this into a video. And I really like the AB crystals. I like that color. It's just so beautiful. And this only took about maybe 30 minutes tops, front and back. I feel like the only thing that stops me from being great is recording, but I want to share all this knowledge with you. So yeah, this is how it turned out. And then when I get closer to the ring, I do add, try to continue the honeycomb method as much as possible. But then you're going to use those smaller stones. I think I used 2M, 3M, not too many, just a few. I didn't want to overdo it. And here I'm just going around the ring. I outlined the ring, the other side of the ring first. And then I go in with maybe a little bit of scatter method. Nothing too serious, nothing too dangerous. I don't like those waters. So I stay in my lane with the honeycomb pattern. That's just me. And yeah, I thought this was a pretty easy craft. Let me know what you think of this in the comments. Or what I should bedazzle next, because I have no idea what to do. But this is how it turned out. I think it's so pretty. I want to use it. I don't even know why I bought the bottle opener. But anyways, let me know what you think. And once again, thank you for watching my video with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Bedazzle content.